Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm your maths teacher. So today we'll study from Mathwise book 5. Right? So dear students, already in the previous classes you might have learned about uh, number operations, that how to operate numbers, right? So about the operation you have some idea. So we will discuss today the order of operations, right? And that concept is about BODMAS, right? So B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction, right? So here there is one more thing, brackets, B for brackets, right? As this can be parenthesis, right? So this is the bracket which will be used in your questions. So here you can see the order also. The first number first, according to the order of the operations, the brackets are on the first number. So that the second one is off, right? Off, what you do, that you simply multiply the numbers, right? Off is we'll see in the example about that what is the concept of off. Then division is there, then multiplication is there, addition is there, and then subtraction is there. So six types of concepts are there. So we will try to use in our different questions. So example number 1, you can see 72 minus 23 of 2 plus 6 plus 52 divided by 4. So here of 23 of 2. So 23 we will multiply with 2, right? So it becomes 46. So this is that how you will operate the order of, right? So similarly, next you will go according to the order of the operations. First you will solve division, right? Then after division you will solve addition, right? And then after addition you will solve in the end subtraction, right? Here in this question. And similarly, this second example, a bracket is given, division is given, 233 of 4, then minus 58 multiply 9. So in this example you will see that first of all you will solve the bracket, whether it is subtraction or addition. So number 1, as you have seen here, the brackets is on the first place. So here first we will solve brackets, both brackets, right? Then we will see the order of the operations. Then we will go according to the division, and after division we will solve addition, and then we will go according to the order of the operations. Then we'll solve subtraction, right? So now we move to the exercise. Here exercise 14, right? For the first question is the bracket is given, and 216 minus 126 plus 150 multiply 7 minus 147 divided by 7. So here bracket we will solve first, and then division, and then multiplication, and then we will add in the end. So here I have done this question for you. So bracket we have solved, 216 minus 126 90 plus 150 multiply 7 as it is. Then division we will solve, 7 we will divide with 147. Here I have done this in the rough work also. So when you divide 7 with 147, it becomes 21 is the answer, right? So here 147 divided by 7, 21 is the answer. Now in this step we will solve multiplication, and then in the next step we will solve addition, and then in the end subtraction. So answer will be as according to the when you solve the last step. So then second question, bracket is given, division is also given in the bracket, multiplication given in the bracket, and then here subtraction is also given in the bracket. So in the same time you will solve all these brackets in the first step, right? I have done this question for you. So we'll multiply this 196 multiply 7. Here I have done this, maybe yes, 196 multiply 7, this is 1372. So here we have written 1372, and in the same step we have solved this bracket division concept is given here, 490 divided by 7. So here I have done this, right? 490 divided by 7, here answer is 70, right? So 70 we have written here, and then 984 as it is, 374 as it is, and then last bracket will be solved. So simply you subtract 742 minus 264 and you'll get 478, right? Then you solve, you have subtraction, you have addition, so add them first and then you subtract and you'll get the answer, right? Third question, third question is 56 minus 192 divided by 12 plus 64 multiply 8 minus 68, right? Here we have division, we have multiplication, so there is no bracket in this question, so you divide first and then you multiply and then you add and subtract. We'll see. So we divide first, right? So I have done this in the rough work, so here you can put RW. So divide it and you'll get the answer 16. So here we have written 16, 56 as it is, 16 by division and then multiplication, you get this 64 multiply 8, 8 for the 32, 6 are 48 plus 3 51, 512 minus 68 as it is. Now you add the numbers first and then you subtract and you get the answer, right? Question number 4, 161 minus 132 of salmon divided by, bracket is given and then again bracket is given. So we'll solve the brackets first in question number 4. These brackets we will solve first, and same step we will solve off also, right? 167 you multiply 132 with salmon. Here I have done, no, I have not. 132 multiply salmon, 132 multiply 7, right? 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 21, 22, 7 1 the 7 plus 2 9, so 924 we have here. 924 divided by, you solve the bracket, 214 minus 203 you get 11, and then minus 11 7 the 77. So 160 here. Now we will divide, right? You can see 924 divided by 80 by 11, so 84 is the answer. We have written here 161 minus 84 by dividing 84 minus 77, so you get the answer 161 minus 161, you cut them and they will cancel each other and the answer will be 0. Okay, now question number 5. Here bracket is given in the beginning, division is given, and then again off is given, the concept of off, minus 69 multiply 4 minus 707, right? So here you can see question number 5. Bracket you solve, simply subtract this, you will get 204. Then you solve this off, 138 multiply 7, 7 8 is 56, 7 3 is 21 plus 5 26, 7 1 the 7 plus 2 9, 966 by multiplying this, and then you multiply this number in the bracket also, you get 276 and 707 as it is. So now in this second step you divide the numbers, you get 17 by dividing. Here you can see, right, you get answer 204 divided by 12, you get 17. So 17 we have written here, 17 plus 966 as it is, minus 276, and we have added this to 983, right? So here you add it, 983 and minus 983, we cancel each other and the answer will be 0, right? So here now last question, 46 minus 25 multiply 4 plus 47 of 6, right? And then minus 320 is given, minus 297, and then division is given in that. So here off, we solve off first here, right? 282 by multiplying 47 of 6, and then you solve the bracket. 320 minus 297, 23, and dividing 147 by 7 is 21, right? So here you can see in the rough column also 147 divided by 21 by 7 is 21 answer. So we have written here 21, right? So 46 25 5 4s are 100. 46 minus 100 plus 282 minus 23. So the numbers which have plus signs, add them, and numbers which have minus signs, subtract them. So 349 minus 123, 226 is the answer. So this is all from exercise 14. So see you in the next video. Thank you.